Very nice. Reminds me of a bandage. I did this 2 weeks ago, and it's been 85, 90, sun, rain, thunderstorm, and it looks good. You can see here, this is it. I mean, I've used this stuff before, different wire harness tape, but I like this. This is nice. And just 2 weeks of getting beat down, and it looks like I just put it on. You get 3 rolls, which is 150 feet. I'll leave a link in the bottom of the video. And I'll be using this on, the wire harness on the barrel boat behind me, golf cart harnesses, when I put the motor in, everything. I'll be using this on whatever I got wire harnesses on, that's for sure. There's nothing even peeling up on it or anything. So it looks good. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm going to be putting it on the rest of the harnesses around here. And I still have the other, and betterboat.com, I did the other review on, was the straps on the trailer. So stick around. Like I said, the description is where you can find a link to that betterboat.com wire harness tape. Everything I've got from them so far has been really nice. So that's the wire harness tape. Betterboat.com